All right, diving into the world of labs today, and specifically something that's, well, kind of crucial, but might not sound super exciting at first glance, LIMS systems. But trust me, I have a feeling we're about to uncover some seriously cool stuff here.
Yeah, you're definitely right about that. LIMS systems, they're like the unsung heroes of modern science, the engine behind a lot of the groundbreaking research happening today.
Okay, I'm intrigued. You know, I'm always up for a good behind-the-scenes look, and we actually got this really interesting piece from Teslagen about the benefits of LIMS. So before we get into all that, could you give us a quick definition? For anyone listening who might not be familiar with what a LIMS system actually is.
Absolutely. So picture like any lab, right? You've got experiments running, data coming out the wazoo, samples everywhere, and you've got a whole team of people trying to wrangle all of that and stay organized. That's where LIMS system comes in. It's basically a central software platform that helps manage all of that. So instead of chaos, you have, well, efficiency, control, like a well-oiled machine.
Okay, so it's like the ultimate lab manager, keeps everything running smoothly.
Exactly. And that smooth operation, it translates into some really big, tangible benefits for researchers, which, speaking of,
Yeah, let's talk about those benefits. Teslagen outlined 5 key advantages of using a LIMS system. Want to walk through them?
let's do it.
All right, so first up, data management. Which, honestly, this one makes me think about, like, scientists hunched over stacks of notebooks. Is that the kind of headache a LIMS system helps avoid?
You are spot on. Instead of scribbling results down in a notebook, imagine entering them directly into the system. It's all digital, easily searchable, and shareable with the team. No more trying to decipher handwriting or worrying about losing critical data.
See, that's huge. I can already see how much time and frustration that would save. What about inventory management? Labs have so many samples, reagents, instruments. How does LIMS help there?
Think of it like this. Each sample, each vial, has its own digital tracker. You can track the location of every single item in the lab, its usage history, expiration date, all in real time.
Okay, so no more frantically searching for that one missing enzyme. I can see how that level of organization would be a game changer, especially in a fast-paced research environment. Now, Teslagen also mentioned increased productivity, which, I mean, that's something I think we can all get behind, right?
Absolutely. And it's not just about working faster, it's about working smarter. Automating tasks, reducing manual errors, streamlining workflows. That frees up researchers to spend more time on what matters most, the science itself.
Makes sense. So instead of getting bogged down in administrative stuff, they can focus on actually analyzing data and, pushing their research forward. Now, this next one, this is particularly interesting to me, collaboration and communication. Because in today's research world, it's rare for projects to be siloed, right?
Exactly. And a LIMS system really facilitates that collaborative spirit. You could have a team spread across different labs or even countries, and everyone can access the same data, share results, track progress, all in real time. It makes for a much more cohesive and efficient research environment.
It's like the difference between, I don't know, sending a carrier pigeon and having a video call.
Okay.
Okay, last but not least, Teslagen saved the best for last, advanced reporting. What makes these reports so advanced compared to, say, just using a spreadsheet?
Well, with the LIMS system, you're not just collecting data, you're generating actual actionable insights. We're talking interactive dashboards, custom reports, even AI-powered analytics that can identify trends and predict bottlenecks. It can really guide critical research decisions.
So instead of just seeing numbers on a page, researchers can understand the story behind the data and make informed decisions that actually drive their research forward. I mean, it really does sound like a LIMS system takes a lot of the pain out of lab work and really empowers those researchers to do their best work.
Yeah, you put that perfectly. And the crazy thing is, this technology is constantly evolving. I mean, think AI integration, machine learning, automated analysis. It's really pushing the boundaries of what's possible in research.
It really makes you wonder what we'll see even in the next couple years. What breakthroughs are going to happen thanks to these advancements. So if you're listening and you're even a fraction as fascinated by this as I am, definitely check out Teslagen and the work they're doing in the world of LIMS systems. Truly cutting-edge stuff. And until next time, keep those minds curious.